In this video I will show you how to download the game Goat Simulator 3 on your PC. So if you buy games at Steam it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones, plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses. And nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to download this game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. So the first step is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Now, the next step is to locate this game on Steam first before we can proceed to another website. So go to the Steam website and search for the game Goat Simulator 3. Now select it, scroll a little bit down, and as you can see this game starts at €29.99. But don't worry, we got a workaround for that. What you need to do is open the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this website. Now we will search for the same game, Goat Simulator 3. After that select games on the left side and sort by price lowest first. Then scroll a little bit down and you will find an option which is able to be activated in your country. Now select the game. And as you can see, we can already buy this game for just €7.38 instead of €29.99. So this will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. And basically, if you have purchased this game on this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key or a new Steam account to download this game on your PC. And that is how you save a lot of money while downloading games. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!